system. Officials are down.
Shauna, I am begging you. Please.
I thought people like you only existed in the movies. You know, two guys trying to overcompensate for their lack of manhood by taking it out on a defenseless woman.
What are you gonna do about it?
That.
Take a look. The video isn't clear enough for facial recog, but she's real all right. I've watched it like 10 times. The woman can fight.
She can focus the sound better than Black Siren, and she is more skilled in hand-to-hand.
Stop!
Wow. Costume warehouse having a fire sale I didn't know about? What do you want?
You're a vigilante and a metahuman.
Get out! No, don't go. Help me, please. Tina.
Sonic dampener. New and improved.
We didn't get to finish our last conversation.
Check it out.
Hey, Sean.
A little outside your jurisdiction, aren't you?
I'm not a cop tonight. Sorry. I don't really have much control beyond on and off.
Yeah, probably because you just produced the sound of 1,000 Beyoncés. I mean, polyphonics doesn't even begin to explain what you're doing.
You guys all right? I've got something. This is gonna involve me wearing a costume, isn't it?
Yeah, something like that, yeah.
You know, I'm not sure I'm ready to fill her shoes quite yet. Good woman.
Johnson, you gotta make room for a tow truck.
Not a problem. Back entrance is clear.
Next time I get to kick the door in.
Yeah, whatever floats your boat, lassie.
Get back!
So's the east. Don't grab a woman unless you have permission, dumbass.
All right, let's get out of here.
I think Wilson did something to your head when he knocked you out.
Curtis works this up for Dinah. It's gonna control your Canary cry, but it's also gonna bypass the sonic dampener.
I love that, Curtis. This may hurt a bit.
Just saying, Canary.
Actually, it's Black Canary.
You were such a bitch. Yeah, it takes one to know one, sweetheart.
Go, go, go!
To be continued. You okay?
Look out! Shoot her!
Hey. Can we talk for a second?
Actually, you're right on time. My mistake for dawdling, I guess. It's just she's so pretty. I really wanted to hold her hand until the end, Colin.
You are one twisted bitch.
That really hurts my feelings.
Don't burn yourself out, Dinah. I need you for the long haul, remember?
There is no long haul. Run! Let's talk, Vince. Just talk.
Freeze! Get down on the floor! You have 3 seconds.
Easy.
1, 2.
Put the gun down.
Green Arrow's found us, and his friends too. Clear out our stash! Nothing gets confiscated! Go! Go!
You're welcome.
She did all the work.
Anyone else want to be a hero?
You missed quite a bit, Cisco.
You're late.
Oh, don't mind him. He's just pissy because he came out of a steel box. What the hell? This guy's like the Terminator. Why are you laughing?
I just love a good pop culture reference in a moment of crisis. Also, that!
So glad he wanted to meet again.
Hayden James.
I got nothing in the alleyway.
Stuck.
These switch boxes are locked, though.
All right, stand back.
Maybe because Katie and James has completely overwritten everything we could do here. Maybe plan C will be...
Guys?
We could literally just start pulling things out till we get the right circuit.
Guys!
Pull it all out! Pull it all out!
It's not working. Hurry! Yes, there is.
He's lied. He's kept secrets. He's not perfect.
Vince told me you had it to go backstashed. Took me a little while to figure out where.
You can't stop me. This ends tonight. You end tonight. Stop!
Is this what it felt like?
Right before you killed Vince.
I'm sorry.
We are way past sorry.
Dinah!
No! You stay with Curtis.
All right, let's go! Move, 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 move! Let's go! Everybody, come on! Move!
I'll give you the courtesy of putting that back in before we start this.
Does it have to be in that order?
You work for Ricardo Diaz.
Who?
You want to play that game? Good. I need to blow off some steam. You know, you're gonna wake up in a couple hours, your head's gonna be throbbing. You're gonna regret not talking.
One bullet, back of the head. You won't even feel it.
You know the cool thing about sound waves? They bounce.
ground! Are you kidding me? I warned you the last time. I asked you to trust me. Instead, you just actively tampered with my investigation, so now I have no choice.
Are you serious?
Renee Ramirez, you are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Everything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law, so I suggest you shut the hell up. Let's go. I'm not gonna hurt you. You shouldn't have come back here, Roy. Freeze!
Nice shot.
Drop it now! Get as many of these people out of here as you can. What about you? He wants a vigilante. I'm gonna give him one.
Dinah!
Brace yourself.
What?
You have the right to remain silent. Gotta stop him.
You go, I'll secure the evidence.
James Midas, you are under arrest. Like I said, you're under arrest. Too bad it doesn't belong to you. Are you okay?
okay? You came back for me.
We're only as strong as we are together. Something I didn't realize till just now.
We are pretty badass together.
Yeah, like birds of justice.
Something like that.
I can adjust it for you. Probably get your cry back if you want it. Thank you. Yeah.
It's activated. Good to go, Overwatch.
Transit workers, you're under arrest.
You should have stayed on that island.
Back on my Earth, you had a better teacher.
I have an idea. We did it. Okay, fine, you did it.
Oh, good. You're not dead.
We gotta buy them some time.
Excuse me. I'm looking for the owner.
Up there.
Oh, Sonny, you smiled at me, really easy pain. Oh, the dark days are done, now the bright days are here. And my sunny one shines so sincere. Oh, sunny one, so true. I'm in love with you.
You ready? Never not. Dinah, what's your progress? 3 more rooms to go.
Remy, we got an emergency.
You go get Bianca, and we'll take care of Logan and his friends.
What?
You'll be fine. Cameras are down. How many can we expect? Depends on how fast we move.
Ready?
Now what? Welcome back.
Oh my God. Who are you bitches?
That mission lives on. Oliver lives on in the people he inspired. Some will take that mission to the rest of the world.